Fyde OS is a fast, lightweight operating system based on Chromium OS, designed to give you a smooth and secure experience on any PC or laptop. It looks and feels similar to Chrome OS, supports Android apps, but you have to install G-apps to run Android apps on it, and the best part, it runs well even on older hardware. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Fyde OS on your PC or laptop. Don't skip any step and watch the video completely. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get started. First we will need Phoss OS ISO file. To download it, click on first link in the description. You will come to this website. Now scroll all the way down, you will find this button. Click on it and it will send you to Fyde OS official website. Click on download button. Now choose an option according to your PC generation. I am using a 4th generation laptop, so I will choose first option. Click on download button and your downloading will start. Now we will need another tool called Phoss to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Phoss. Open first website and download its latest version. Once both files are downloaded, open your downloads folder. Now open Phoss. You need an 8GB or larger USB flash drive. Plug it in PC, it will automatically select the USB device. Now under boot selection, click select, and choose the ISO file you downloaded. After that, leave all settings as it is, and click start. Now it will give some warnings, click OK for all. Now Phoss will format your USB drive and make it bootable. Once done, click close. Now keep the USB plugged in and restart your PC. When PC restarts, press your PC's boot menu key according to your system. From the boot menu, choose the USB device and press enter. Now choose your language and press OK. Click Get Started. Now if you want to try Fyde OS before installing it, then choose second option. I want to install it, so I will choose first option. Choose full disk and click next. Now choose your disk and click install. Fyde OS will start installing on your device. After installation, you have to restart it. Now follow all on-screen instructions and install Fyde OS on your PC. And that's it, you have successfully installed Fyde OS on your PC. Now you can use it easily. In future, if you want to go back to Windows, then you have to create Windows bootable USB and install it on your PC. You can find videos for that on my channel. And if you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.